Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching Tech. OnePlus is making modding increasingly difficult with every new update. This is my OnePlus 12R running with OxygenOS 16.v701 version. It's recently received the newest security patch update, but I wasn't able to download the full OTA through stock OTA updater. And when I tried to flash the firmware using local install option after downloading it via OxygenOS updater application, I got the message bootloader is unlocked and unable to install it from local file. If you are in the same situation and want to downgrade or upgrade your OnePlus device or want to revert from custom ROMs to stock OxygenOS to fix boot loop or soft break issues, I have a tool called as fastboot firmware flasher. We already reviewed the older version of this tool in this video. You will find this video link in the icard and in video description. The developers have now released the new version of this tool, that is 1.0.2.1, which includes built-in drivers installation, an ARB checker and user interface. So today we will update our OnePlus 12R using this tool. The same process applies to all OnePlus devices for upgrading, downgrading or fixing soft break issues. So must watch this video carefully until the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. First, let's check out the requirements of this process. Since this is a fastboot flashing process, your device bootloader must be unlocked and USB debugging under the developer option must be enabled. To enable the developer option, tap build number 8 times under the version details. For instruction on unlocking the bootloader, please check the video link given in the iCard and in video description. You need Windows PC. The first step is to download two files. The first one is OTA firmware version that you want to flash on your device. I have given the fastboot firmware flasher link in the video description. To download the full OTA firmware, please use OxygenOS updater application from Play Store. Now double click on the fastboot firmware flasher exe file. It will ask you to extract its content. This is a default installation location of the C drive. Don't change anything. Simply click this button. This process will extract all required fastboot files in a C drive in this folder. Now copy full OTA firmware file and paste it into the OTA folder inside the fastboot firmware flasher directory in the C drive. Next, scroll down and find the fastboot firmware flasher application. Double click on it and run the application. You will see the new application window. On the left side, you will find all the functions that this tool can perform. This update introduces the new driver section. Open it and you will see the option to install all required drivers and test them. I recommend that all users install the drivers again, even if they have already installed ADB and fastboot drivers previously. Once you click install drivers, all ADB, fastboot and Qualcomm QDL drivers will be installed automatically, and you will receive the notification installation successful. Now connect your device to PC using original OnePlus USB cable. To verify the driver's installation, click Start Test. A new screen will open showing the process of rebooting the device into the bootloader and other modes. The current active process will be highlighted in a blue color. Your device will first boot into the bootloader mode. Once the bootloader driver's check is successful, the device will reboot into the fastboot D mode. Here simply select your language and you will see this screen. After the fastboot D driver's verification is completed, final status will be highlighted in a green text. This means the setup is complete. Then tap on the reboot on your device to back into the normal system. Now in the fastboot flasher tool, select the firmware unpacker option. On the right side under the local unpacker, select OTA folder. A new window will appear showing the firmware file that we previously pasted inside the OTA folder. Then click select. You will now see the OxygenOS version, product name, security patch version and ARB status of selected OTA file. The tool will verify ARB status for few seconds. A value of 0 means no ARB is present, while 1 indicates that ARB is enabled in the firmware. Now select the local unpacker, choose the full OTA and click Unpack. In the log output window on the right side, you will see all the files being unpacked along with their names. I have already completed the unpacking process, so I won't show it again. The unpacking process takes around 15 to 30 minutes. Once completed, you will see unpacking completed message. If you open the output folder, you will find a firmware folder containing all unpacked files. Now connect your device to PC again in a normal mode and select the firmware flasher option in the tool. Under the flashing instruction, you will see the preparational steps which you already completed. Next, leave all the flashing options unchanged. Then click Start. A confirmation window will open showing all your selected options. Simply click Confirm. A new pop-up window will open asking about to root to your firmware. Select No if you don't want to root, or if you want to root your device, you can select Yes. In the flashing settings screen, choose the Android version currently running on your device. Since my device is running on OxygenOS 16, I will select Android 13 to 16. For the first option, select Reboot from the system if your device is connected in a normal mode. If your device is already in a bootloader mode, select Reboot from bootloader. Now click Start Flashing. Since my device is connected in a normal mode, it automatically rebooted into the fastboot D mode and the flashing process begins. The flashing log will be displayed in the log output window. Before flashing, the tool performs the USB cable test. Once the test passes, flashing of all the partitions begins and it will be visible in a log output section. On the left side, you can monitor the flashing progress bar. After the first stage of the flashing, a new window may appear asking for the confirmation to continue. If you didn't encounter any issues during the first stage of flashing, then click on Continue. Your device will reboot into the bootloader mode and modem flashing will begin. The entire flashing process may take more than 30 minutes. Once completed, you will receive flashing completed notification. If you simply upgrading your device, then skip the delete data option and directly click reboot device. However, if you are downgrading your device or planning to relog the bootloader later, select delete data after flashing. In this demonstration, I am selecting delete data. Once data wipes is completed, the device will reboot into the setup screen. That's it, our flashing process is successful. After completing the setup, you can see that we have upgraded our OnePlus 12R to the latest OxygenOS 16.0.5 V702 May security patch build. Using the same process, you can downgrade your device by flashing an older full OTA firmware. You can fix the boot loop issues, you can check the ARB status of your device, and can update your ADB and fastboot drivers at any time. This tool works on all OnePlus devices powered by Qualcomm or mediatek chipsets. I hope you got a clear understanding of how to use this tool. In the next video, I will show you how to relog the bootloader on any OnePlus device, so stay tuned to our channel. Please like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.